Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your TurboTax QuickBooks account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in myturbotax.com and press enter. This will now take you into your official tax account for TurboTax and you will directly be taken into the login portal. Now, first of all, type in your phone number, your email address or your user ID, whichever one you prefer to use. And if you're using a private device, then you can leave the Remember Me box checked. Otherwise, make sure to uncheck this if you're logging in from a public one. Now click on the sign in button and you will be asked to enter your account password. Proceed with the verification of your identity, and when you are prompted to enter your password, just go ahead and type in your account password. You can then click on the sign in button and you will directly be logged in to your TurboTax account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your TurboTax account on your web browser. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.